In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Plagiarism Checker tool in Microsoft Word. This is a handy feature for ensuring the originality of your content, whether you're a student, a writer, or simply someone who values the integrity of their work. Let's dive right in and explore how to use this tool effectively. First, you need to open the document you're working on in Microsoft Word. This is your starting point, so make sure you've got Microsoft Word up and running on your computer. If you're working with an online version, access your document through OneDrive or wherever it's stored. Having your document opened is crucial because the Plagiarism Checker will analyze the content within this file. Next, navigate to the Review tab in the toolbar at the top of your Word window. The Review tab is packed with useful tools for editing and refining your document, and it's where we'll find the tools related to checking our work's integrity and similarities. Now, within the Review tab, locate and click on Editor. The Editor feature is an essential tool in Word, as it helps with not only checking grammar and style, but also with our main task today, plagiarism checking. Click on Editor to open its drop-down menu. Once you've clicked Editor, you might notice that it's highlighted. This indicates that its functions are now activated and ready for you to use. Sometimes you may need to click on Editor again, just to ensure it's fully opened and all functionalities are accessible on the right side of your screen. This second click confirms that you're in the right place. With the Editor pane open on the right, look for the option labeled Similarity. This is our key feature today. Similarity checks how your document compares with existing online content, highlighting any text that may need revisions or citations. Go ahead and click on Similarity to proceed. Finally, within the Similarity section, you'll see the option to check for similarity to online sources. Click on this option to begin the analysis. The tool will take a moment to process your document against a vast array of online sources, so sit tight. Once it's completed, review the results carefully. It will highlight any sections of your text that match other content found online, giving you the opportunity to make necessary adjustments or include proper citations. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can confidently use Microsoft Word's built-in Plagiarism Checker tool. It's a great way to ensure your documents are original and properly sourced. Remember, maintaining originality in your work isn't just about avoiding plagiarism. It's about respecting the value and effort behind creating authentic content. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!